So hey y'all, and as promised, if y'all want to make some extra money for the holidays or any time of the day, any time of the month, year, whatever, then I'm about to tell you how you can make some extra coins.
Ten Bill Ent.
So y'all, I'm at work doing my shift on Instacart today. I work 1 to 6, and believe it or not, it's pretty slow right now. I just had one order. I had 20 minutes to complete the order, and I completed the order early. So that is the goal. So today I'm going to take you all on a little sample order with me. Not a sample order, but a real order. When a real order comes in, I'm going to show y'all what I basically do. So a little bit about Instacart. I am an in-store shopper. I did not want to do delivery because I don't want to be going to characters' houses. And yes, I said characters because I don't know people and carrying like heavy stuff up and down steps. So I'm an in-store shopper. In-store shoppers get paid $11.50 and we get weekly pay. On average, since I work on the weekends, I can only work on Saturday and Sunday. So on average, I make about between $100 and $120 a week because I only work on Saturday and Sunday. Basically doing about, I don't know, between 8 to 10 hours. But since Christmas coming up, it's about to go down. So tomorrow I was supposed to work 2 to 6, but your girl coming in 11 to 6. So basically, I'm in St. Louis, Missouri. Our Instacart shoppers, well, at least the store I work in is at Schnucks. So it's only certain Schnucks stores in the St. Louis metropolitan area that you can work at. So yeah, like, y'all, Instacart is bomb. And there's some in my eye. Instacart is bomb. If you want to lose weight and make you some extra money, then do Instacart, y'all. I'm going to put my referral link in the description box if you want to, be an Instacart in-store shopper. Now, if you want to do both, they will ask you on the app. So basically, when you want to just do in-store shopper, you're going to pick I do not have a car. Otherwise, it's going to put you in doing like the regular delivery driver. But I ain't want to do that. I don't want to put no miles on my car Panthers. So yeah, they provide you shirts. You get this lanyard so people know you are an Instacart shopper. I purchased this little lanyard, which I'll show y'all in a minute, which basically holds my phone around my neck so I don't have to carry it. We have to wear like black bottoms. I got this to hold like lotion, lip gloss, whatever I want, hand sanitizer. So yeah, I'm just waiting on the order, and I cannot believe how slow it is. But I'm just waiting on the order. So when one comes in, it's showtime, y'all. So yes, like, let me see what else I can tell y'all. And y'all, this lightning here today is bomb.com.org.net.edu. What else can I tell y'all? Your availability has to be, you have to have availability of between 15 and 16 hours a week. Not saying they'll give that to you, but your availability matters. That is their policy. If you don't have open availability for at least 15 or 16 hours, they will terminate your contract. Other than that, like I say, the latest you can work during the week is 8 p.m. Of course, since I get off at 6, I'm not really available during the week, but I put my open availability from 7 to 10 in case when it gets super close to the holidays. Yeah, my arm hurt. It gets super close to the holidays, they may, let people stay late. But I really enjoy it. I've been doing it for a month. On average, I make about between $400 and $450 a month. I'm trying to think of some other stuff that I can tell y'all. Oh, your orders or time. So depending upon how many items are in your order, that's depending upon how many minutes you get to shop. The biggest order I had, the time limit they gave me was an hour and like 20 minutes. So you all can just imagine how much stuff was in the cart. But other than that, once you start Instacart and you pick the store you want to work at, I suggest you like familiarize yourself with the store and get to know where things are located, because if you don't know the store, you're gonna have a hard time finding stuff, and speed is everything. Our shopping speed, and I'll show all of y'all that in a little while. Basically, your speed has to be 85 seconds. Now, right now, my speed is 91 seconds, so I'm almost there. But y'all, this is like the best thing ever. This is the easiest job ever. When I go to the grocery store, I always get in. I cannot believe how slow it is. I was like, oh, I ain't gonna be able to do that video for them today. But like, I have not gotten no order yet, so let me shut up before I get one. So basically, familiarize yourself with the store. Speed is everything. If your speed is not good, you're not gonna get hours, basically. They don't have management in the stores with you, so any help you need, you can either, ask one of your colleagues that's an in-store shopper or communicate on it. Sorry, y'all, a little message popped up. So, again, they asked me tomorrow. I work for, I think I picked 11 to 6. They asked me, can I come in an hour early at 10? Why, yes, I can. So, other than that, y'all, I am so glad that I'm not getting these orders like this, so I can show y'all basically how Instacart works. So, right now, since I don't have no orders, I'm basically just walking the store, just trying to see if I know where everything is, because you will get people that order like off the wall stuff. Like, I had somebody ask me for a nail file. I didn't know what a nail file was, so it took me a very long time to find a nail file. Anything people want to come in here to get, they get. And like I said, if you don't know your store, you ain't gonna get that. So you all, excuse my voice, I'm sick.com. But these are the items in her order. As you can see, the app shows you the particular items, those numbers and letters on the left-hand side, or the aisles that the items are located in. Sometimes it's right, sometimes it's wrong, but you can most likely 80% of the time use that to figure out what aisle the items are in. So as you can see, you find the item, scan the barcode, and go to the next item. Looks like these people are making tacos tonight. So find the item, scan the barcode, and instead it will tell you if you picked the wrong item. So I like that about it. So this is an order I just completed. You do have the option of going back, viewing a summary of everything you just purchased to the customer before you go to the register. Yeah, my last order of the day is probably the biggest order I've ever had. And I'm going to show y'all this cart. I had an hour and 16 minutes to shop for this entire order, and I shopped it in about 52 minutes. So when y'all see this, so I get in line, they bag it up, and then I got to put it on the shelf. It's gonna take the longest time, but it's my last order, so let me show y'all this cart. Yeah, so this cart, like, I don't know how much it is, but it's a lot of stuff in there. So yeah, y'all, now it's time to go to checkout. Y'all, 71 items. The total came to $263.25. And here is the receipt. So this whole bottom shelf is just all them orders I had. The order I just had, it was 20 bags. And then I got some items in the refrigerator. But this is our staging area. Scan a receipt, put it in there, print out the labels, and you put it on the shelf. So I hope y'all enjoy shopping with me today. This is my weekends at Instacart. At 6 o'clock, I'm off. That last order, that last order was just like, girl, like, I'm thinking it was probably like a mother, because she had like baby items in there. And it's just basically, this is good for people that can't come out and shop. But yeah. So now I kept walking by this hot food bar. Some girl give me some wings, and then I'm going home. But let me know if y'all love this video. Again, if you want to make you some money, some coin with Instacart, I'm going to put my referral link in the description box. Remember, if you want to do in-store shopper, select I do not have a car. And if you bold and you want to do delivery driver, then do both. By all means, you go right ahead, but Nicole gonna stay in the store. This was my speed for the day. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for supporting. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Ten Bill Ent.